Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the biggest news surrounding XRP and VeChain. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis to see the future steps. So if you guys take any value from this video or are looking for up-to-date crypto news, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more as it really helps the algorithm. With that, let's jump straight into the video. Before we jump into the latest updates, let's take a quick look at the current conditions of the market. As you can see, Bitcoin did fall to that level of just below $32,000, and since then we have pumped to just below $33,000. We could see another retest of that $30,000 range, but we have been talking about us hitting that level for quite a while. As you can see, $30,000 is our major support zone. As you can see, we have tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so far we have not fell below that $30,000 level. Over the next few days we could see another couple retests of that level, but so far we are staying above that $32,000 level. As you can see, altcoins have been drained so far, and that is expected to happen when Bitcoin does see a significant fall, but we did see this coming over the past few days purely because we got rejected at the $42,000 level. For me personally, I do think this is one of the last drops that we will see to the $30,000 level, but once we end up breaking that $43,000 level, I believe Bitcoin will be touching above $75,000 by the end of the year. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest updates to do with XRP and VeChain, so let's jump straight into the first article. So we'll start off by taking a look at XRP, and this article says why Ripple investors will be watching August 31st and October 15th this year. The latest Ripple news is an update of the court case with the US SEC. That's a good sign for investors. The SEC has been granted extension in the Ripple case. This gives it additional time to collect evidence to present to the judge. That means there'll be a couple of dates XRP investors will want to keep an eye on in the coming months. The first date is August 31st, 2021. This date marks the end of the fact discovery period for the SEC. Then there's October 15th, 2021. That's when the period for it to conduct expert discovery comes to an end. News of an extension in the SEC's case against XRP might have some investors spooked, but it could be positive. James K. Fillon, an attorney, has been posting about the matter on Twitter, and he sees the recent announcements as positive. And it says down here, one disadvantage is that this extension will easily delay the Ripple lawsuit and could even push it into 2022. Attorney Jeremy Hogan believes this will be the case. He also claims that while the settlement is still possible, it doesn't seem to be likely at the outcome of the lawsuit. So overall, by the looks of it, it looks like the SEC is currently running out of ammunition. For the past few months, they haven't had any solid evidence that proves that XRP has ever been in the wrong, and so far they are looking like they are taking a desperate attempt. We will see this drag out as long as possible, but in the end, I do think XRP and Ripple will win. But I want to know down below, are you bullish or bearish on XRP? Now this is the last article that I want to show you involving XRP before we take a look at price analysis, and this one certainly is interesting. XRP might not be a security, says SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce. SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce clarifies that XRP might not be a security, but may have been sold as one. The SEC has left out regulations of cryptocurrency and blockchain from its list of priorities in 2021. The Commissioner of the US Securities and Exchange Commission, Hester Peirce, also known as Crypto Mom, said that XRP might not be a security but could have been issued as one. Ripple Labs and two high-profile executives, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen, are facing prosecution for violating the federal security laws. I just want to show you this part here, and it says the Crypto Mom in an interview clarified that the SEC is going after Ripple not because XRP is a security, but because it could have wrongfully issued the tokens. What the lawsuit means is that the asset is being sold as part of an investment contract or securities. When we think about crypto assets being a security, what we are doing is saying it's being sold as part of an investment contract, which means that promises are being made around the sales of the asset. It doesn't mean that the asset itself necessarily has to be a security, it means that it is being sold as a security. Ripple has refused to back down as they insist they never sold XRP as part of an investment contract. Brad Garlinghouse argued that XRP holders have no stake in the company, and so the case holds no water. He also believes that this is an attempt by the authorities to attack the crypto industry at large. If we take a look at XRP on the charts, as you can see we ended up peaking around the levels of $1.96, and since then we have ended up retracing back down to the levels of 60 cents. The bottom so far is 56 cents, so we always could go down for another test, but it all depends on Bitcoin's movement. I personally think once Bitcoin does show a lot of strength during that $30,000 or $31,000 level, altcoins will see a significant move. Even if you're one-sided and believe in one particular cryptocurrency, you need to be open to the idea that Bitcoin is the market mover. If Bitcoin is in a very bullish motion, you will see the same results with altcoins, but if Bitcoin is in a bearish motion like we have seen over the past couple couple months, you will see a significant drop in altcoins. As I said before, I do think this will be one of the last drops that we see before Bitcoin does break that $43,000 level, and once we break that level, we will see significant price action across the board. The best thing you could do whilst the market is in these conditions is rather be patient with the market or attack the dips. Once you understand how the crypto market works, honestly, you will get used to these drops, and they are nothing more than a fantastic buying opportunity. But remember guys, be greedy when others are fearful, stay patient, and you will be a winner in this space. We're now going to take a look at the latest updates surrounding VeChain. Now they haven't got much news out at the moment, but they still have an incredibly impressive resume that I would like to show you guys. From Bayer China to IVF applications, a summary of VeChain's blockchain based use cases in medical and healthcare. Reform in the field of medicine has become a global priority following the impact of the global pandemic. Undoubtedly, blockchain technology holds huge promise. From advanced key healthcare services to production and supply of drugs to advanced AI image facilities, blockchain will unleash whole-scale disruption on our existing systems and raise the standards of healthcare globally. As the world's leading enterprise-tier public blockchain, VeChain is dedicated to seize these opportunities and driving healthcare forward in a way that has never been achieved to date. The past of events summarised below represent a journey we are very proud of, but it is just a starting point. And it says here, VeChain collaborated with Idante to co-develop the EHCert app, which provides a solution for COVID-19, RT-PCR and antibody test records. From June to August in 2020, International Airport in Cyprus adopted the EHCert app. And as you can see, the next one says, C-Secure platform of Bayer China. VeChain helped Bayer China launch C-Secure, a traceability platform for clinical trial supply chains, which continuously capture and track clinical supply chain data. C-Secure is designed to improve transparency and security in the Bayer clinical trial supply chain. Colorline, one of Europe's largest ferry companies, has received a declaration of conformity for infection risk management from DNV, based on MiCARE standards. The declaration covers the company's management system, including the 6-gram cargo ships operating between Norway, Denmark, Germany, Sweden, and corresponding terminals. On August 6, 2020, they partnered with Deseco and MiCARE, the third largest pasta company in the world, which is absolutely huge. On the 20th of November 2020, China's Renji Hospital went into a partnership with VeChain and DNV, announced the launch of the world's first blockchain-enabled intelligent tumor treatment center. And then as you can see on the 4th of December, EHCert app launches its latest iteration, a digital lab test wallet. VeChain and Idante joined hands to fully upgrade the EHCert app and extend the service to all personal medical test reports. So overall, when you take a look at VeChain's partners, you look at what they've accomplished in 2020 and what they are accomplishing in 2021. To me, VeChain is an incredibly underrated cryptocurrency, and I personally think we could see $1 at some point in the next 2 to 3 years. VeChain is also very popular with the Chinese government, which to me shows that it is here to stay. There is only a very select few of cryptocurrencies that China even allow in their country, and VeChain, surprise surprise, is one of them, and they are working very closely with the Chinese government. So overall, when you take a look at what they have accomplished in a year, what they are accomplishing this year, and what they are going to accomplish in the next few years, in my opinion, VeChain is a cryptocurrency that should be watched. But I want to know down below, when did you first get into VeChain? If we take a quick look at VeChain on the charts, as you can see, we ended up peaking around the levels of 28 cents, and since then we have ended up retracing back down to 7.5 cents, which to me is an absolutely incredible buying opportunity. Now, similar to XRP and pretty much every cryptocurrency out there, if Bitcoin does continue to fall, which it is very possible at this point, if Bitcoin continues to fall to the levels of $31,000 and falls to $30,000, we will see altcoins hit very hard. This is the case for pretty much any time in cryptocurrency, as Bitcoin is the market mover. What I personally think is when Bitcoin does bottom, hopefully at around the levels of $31,000, we will start to see some life back into this crypto market. And once that life starts to come back into this market, we will go back to how we were a couple of months ago, before this all started. And then we will have that clarification that this was just a reset and it was all part of the process. Bitcoin and the crypto market will do what it needs to do, with or without you. And that is why I always say be patient with the market, because times like these is a big test on your patience and your determination in cryptocurrency. If you were in cryptocurrency to get rich quick within the space of a couple of days, unfortunately you were always going to lose money, because it does not work like that. I have personally been here since 2017, and that is not a flex in the slightest. It is just to reassure you guys in some way that I have seen this time and time again. This is not the end of the crypto market, and I'm willing to say that with confidence. We have just got to wait it out and let the market do its thing. Remember, I will say it time and time again, be greedy when others are fearful, stay patient, and you will be a winner in this space. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you did take any value from this video and you would like to learn more, we have the Crypto Noobs Patreon, where we have one-to-one calls where we can go over anything crypto related. If you would like a portfolio review, your future steps, or simply learning the basics about crypto. We also have the Gold membership, where if you are looking for an incredible Discord community, we will help you to the best of our ability on your crypto journey. We're also trying to hit 10,000 followers on our Twitter account, so if you guys do have Twitter, it would really mean a lot to me if you could drop me a follow, as we are trying to hit a very big target at the end of the year. So if you guys did take any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or comment down below, as it really helps the algorithm. With that, I've been Crypto Noobs, thank you for watching, hopefully I'll see you in my next video, peace.